Oh yeah. The head high from Charles at Swell Brew is amazing. Ooh. It's just one block, I think. Bailey's. Hey guys.
Hello.
Are these glasses? What is this?
Cookies in the shape of a shot glass.
Cookies in the shape. Okay. Do you put something inside of them?
Yes, you can put Bailey's, regular milk, coffee milk, and chocolate milk.
Okay. What's your best seller?
For the classics, it's classic dark. And then for the premiums, it's double chocolate.
Double chocolate, classic dark. So for I can get a classic and a Bailey's shot for 100, basically.
Yes.
Okay. Why not? We'll do that. I'll do classic dark and Bailey's. We'll try it out. You don't have to put it in a box or anything. I'm just gonna eat it literally right now.
Is it this or this? Ay, kanina lang guys. Okay, oh my God.
Ah, you can buy a box.
One. Yeah. My coworker before.
Yeah, Bailey's and cookie glass shot. There you go. Thank you. I like your nails. Those are nice. Did you do those?
Yeah, last time.
Okay, nice. What kind of cookie is this?
That's a chocolate chip cookie base
Chocolate chip.
with a dark chocolate coating.
Wow, okay. I don't know how you eat this. I guess we'll do a shot. Okay, got you. It tastes like a delicious cookie filled with chocolate.
Do you want tissue?
I'm okay. Thank you. It's all going in my mouth. It'll be fine. Thank you. Now we need a burger. Hey, boss. Hey. Afternoon, guys. What's the best seller, guys?
Yeah, we have spicy. If you want spicy, sir, we have chipotle.
Okay.
This one has an egg and roasted pepper.
Uh-huh.
And we have also cebuana, beef and American barbecue sauce, sweet style American barbecue sauce, and pineapple.
Okay.
This is all homemade. This is pure beef, and this one is double patty only. This one very good.
Can I do the big boy with chipotle?
Yeah, sure.
Okay, let's do that, bro. What kind of meat do you use?
Beef, sir.
Beef? All beef? Okay.
Para sa digital
This is my first time using this one.
Oh, yeah. It's a nice pan, though. I like it.
because he used to be incredible rather than
Is this like the full-time job?
Yeah.
Here? Okay.
I also have a catering business.
The catering. Okay.
he owned this one.
Ah, yeah.
It's just like appetizer.
Okay.
It's a catering style appetizer. If I don't have any catering, I do
You
this.
do this. Okay. That's nice. Who do you do catering for? Like big companies here?
Yeah.
Okay. Nice.
A while ago, Vespa,
Okay.
and then some big hardware
Yeah.
and Mini Cooper.
I wish my job would hire a burger guy to come by. That'd be awesome. Yeah.
Go get look.
Try to hold the camera in my bag so we can eat the burger. Oh yeah. It's good and it's spicy. Very thick. I'm gonna enjoy this. The pink bunny. I like it. It's my favorite vodka too here. Okay, let's do the pink bunny with the vodka. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Some vodka soda coming up.
Here for vacation?
2 years I've been here. Yeah.
Good to know.
Yeah. Are you from Cebu?
Originally I'm from Mindanao.
Mindanao. I'm moving to Mindanao. Yeah.
Where?
Davao City.
Davao City.
What about where are you from in Mindanao?
Dipolog City.
Where?
Dipolog.
Dipolog.
It's like the twin city of Dapitan.
Okay. I've heard of Dipolog. I just haven't been before, but
Go there.
is it near the? Is it on the coast or mountain? Okay.
It's like peaks of mountainside and
Okay.
coastal
That's,
side.
that's the best. That's awesome.
Daanan, ikaw man, gamay nga, gamay dito kayo ang kalimutan. Kahit sa kay gusto na pinapagkakaon.
It's beautiful. Is this strawberry syrup here?
Yeah.
Okay.
This is sauce.
Ikaw, bayad ka ng balik sa kagita sa isla. Dami dito.
Just give it a little stir.
Okay.
Good to go.
That was a nice VW Plus. That's nice. Tastes like bubble gum. It's good. Ah. How much do I eat? 130. Okay. tacos. Musubi, which is spam sushi. Wow, my vodka soda is fucking strong. I guess let's go try to find a taxi now. This was a good trip. Everyone was super nice. It was a lot of things to try. What did I have? Cookie shot with Bailey's. I've got the pink bunny vodka bubblegum lychee shot or drink. What else? I had the double burger with spicy sauce. I met the one guy, Ken, who needs a job, so I'm going to try to hook him up with my friend who's a virtual assistant. What else? I'm sure I'll look through this video and see more stuff. Yeah, so here I am at the main road. Time to go find a taxi and see if I can go home. We'll see you later, guys. Bye. So we're at my favorite chicken place in Lapu-Lapu. They use like Chinese 5-spice on their chicken, which is actually amazing. Then we got the special puso with the purple rice inside. And we're gonna meet a friend from the gym to go to karaoke now. So I went to Cebu, I did the market, and now we're here getting some nice fresh hot chicken. So we'll see you in a little bit. Bye.